Have you ever wondered why you always feel anxious, even when nothing obvious seems wrong? What if the answer is right in your pocket, or more likely, in your hand?
Let's face it, smartphones are everywhere. We use them for work, to keep in touch with friends and family, for entertainment, and even to track our health. The average person checks their phone over 90 times a day, and for many of us, that number is much higher. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself, at what cost? So, how exactly does too much screen time affect your mind and mood? First, our phones are designed to grab and keep our attention. Notifications, bright colors, and endless scrolling are all features built to hook us. Each time we get a like, a message, or a new follower, our brains release a little bit of dopamine, the feel-good hormone. But over time, this constant stimulation can leave us feeling drained and anxious. Studies have shown that excessive smartphone use is linked to higher rates of anxiety, depression, and even sleep disorders. In fact, a survey by the American Psychological Association found that 43% of adults say they check their phones constantly, and many report feeling anxious when they can't access them.
How do you know if your smartphone use is fueling your anxiety? Here are some signs to watch out for. You feel restless or uneasy when you're not checking your phone. You reach for your phone first thing in the morning and last thing at night. You lose track of time while scrolling, sometimes for hours on end. You find it hard to focus on tasks without checking your device. You feel a sense of dread or worry after spending time online. If any of these sound familiar, it might be time for a digital check-in.
The issue is more serious in younger generation, especially kids nowadays, as they grew up in a world of smart devices. In the book, The Anxious Generation, Jonathan breaks down this transformation into 4 key shifts. 1. Phone-based childhood. Kids used to explore the real world. Now they spend most of their time in digital spaces. This leads to less autonomy, less adventure, and more isolation. 2. Social media immersion. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat are addictive. They train kids to seek validation through likes and followers, and to fear rejection every time they post. 3. Decline of free play. Unstructured, unsupervised play has almost disappeared. Fearful parenting and overscheduling have robbed kids of the chance to build confidence and resilience. 4. Sleep disruption. Blue light, late-night scrolling, and constant notifications are wrecking kids' sleep, and poor sleep is a major factor in anxiety and depression. The good news? You're not powerless. Here are some practical steps you can take today to break the cycle and reclaim your peace of mind. Set boundaries. Choose specific times each day to check your phone, rather than constantly throughout the day. Limit notifications. Turn off non-essential notifications so you're not constantly pulled back in. Designate phone-free spaces. Make your bedroom, dining table, or workspace a phone-free zone. Try a digital detox. Start with a few hours, then work up to a full day or weekend without your device. Notice how you feel afterward. Remember, smartphones are incredible tools, but they shouldn't control our lives or our mental well-being. If you're feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or just off, take a look at your screen time. It might be the missing piece of the puzzle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. Let's support each other on this journey to better digital health and less anxiety. Until next time, breathe deeply, be kind to yourself, and don't forget to unplug every now and then.